So she said to me, quick, can you give me what I want? I don't know about you, but I feel so good. Girl, I can make you feel real.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason. In this video, we will be diving into the market, the cryptocurrency market, not the stock market. And we will be checking out some interesting tweets that have came out. Everything is so high energy right now. I feel like a weird sense of urgency and euphoria right now because we knew this was going to happen. We knew that the eyes will start opening to what's really going on. So if we dive into the markets, also before we get started, the last video I posted marks the beginning the beginning of full-length videos on here. No more 30 seconds, no more shorts. Like I'm not going to be uploading my TikToks, maybe a few like here and there, but no more spamming the TikToks on here. We're doing full-length videos. We're going hard on this channel. Look at this. Look at this. We go into the markets. Wall Street Bets. What the heck is this? WSB. When I click on it, it has an error and all this. Like, what the hell? Did CoinMarketCap get hacked is my question, but it's sitting above Bitcoin. If we go to the 24 hours, we see Mr. Dogecoin still up. Whoa. Did you see that right there? We just caught like a 50% loss on camera. Over 7 days, it's up 475. We see Wall Street Bets sitting there. Let's move into Twitter. On Twitter, we have Leia Heilpern. Quick rundown. She says, because my head is exploding. My head is exploding too. Actually, not really exploding. My head is kind of exploding quietly. Like a quiet explosion is going off in my head. Because I already knew this was going to happen. Everybody did. Quick rundown. Elon Musk puts Bitcoin in his bio. Let's verify that. Here he is right here. Let's verify. Yep. Bitcoin is sitting right in his bio. Hashtag Bitcoin. Bitcoin jumps 3K. Robinhood shorts itself. Dogecoin moons. The little man destroys Wall Street. Left and the right unite. And no mention of the C word. That is my favorite part in all of this. No mention of Mr. C word. We go here. Stephen Cole, the richest man in the world, has only one word in his Twitter bio. Bitcoin. The richest man, let me read that again. The richest man in the world has one word in his Twitter bio, and it's Bitcoin. And you're still doubting that this is real or it's a scam, blah, blah, blah. You're still doubting? I know probably people watching this video are not doubting at all. They're in cryptocurrency. But I'm talking to the people who aren't. We got Cameron Winklevoss. Plot twist. Bitcoin is headed to Mars. Well, Cameron, I think that Bitcoin is headed to Saturn, actually. And you know that it's headed to Saturn as well. We're passing Mars and going to Saturn. Elon Musk prompted Bitcoin price surge causes liquidation of $387 million in shorts. The shorts were liquidated after Elon Musk added Bitcoin to his Twitter bio, and prices rose over 15%. What a powerful man. You can just put Bitcoin in your bio and it will rise the price 15%. Amazing. Amazing. Dogecoin, this is the final article. Dogecoin becomes most mentioned crypto on Twitter ever as the price soars. If we go to my TikTok, I actually had a TikTok that went, got like 30K. Where is it? Right here, 38K. And I'm talking about how BitBoy Crypto posted this video, but a month earlier, I had actually posted a video about this crypto. See? A month earlier. And if you would have entered a month earlier, you would have made like 10 times your money already, or 4 to 10 times your money. But what I really wanted to point out is look at these comments. Like all of these are Dogecoin stuff. Or most of them are Dogecoin stuff. It's insane. Insane. So it is a crazy time right now. Very crazy time. It feels amazing though. It makes me like tear up inside and it gives me chills to see people coming together. Like, this is really like a financial protest. I hope you know that this is exactly what that is. This is a financial protest, and it actually does something, because there's no negative that comes from it, except that the people at the top who want the negative, they fall. We already knew this was going to happen. We didn't know how, or we didn't know when, but it's going down. This is always my analogy, okay? There's a TV right there with the news on. To my left, there's a TV. Just hypothetically, there's a TV right there. Everyone is looking over here. Everyone's looking over here. Slowly, their heads are going to be turned to watch the TV, and you know what's going to be on the TV? Stuff like this. Stuff like this. I've already gotten like at least 5 messages. How do I buy Dogecoin? Blah, 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 blah. How do I buy this? Blah, 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 blah. I've had a free course out for the past 3 months, and you didn't use it, but now you want to use it? That's what's going to happen. So everybody on this video, if you're still watching right now, thank you for watching. Check the description. You can join our Discord chat. Eventually, there will be a lot of dope information in that Discord chat. I'm still trying to grow it. Also, check out the Crypto Demon blog. That's my blog I made. I'm just going to release all my thoughts as they come on there as blog posts. There's currently 1 blog post on there titled "Cryptocurrency Will Bring Us Back to Kings." To kings. And if you're new on this channel, I give a spiritual perspective on cryptocurrency. We don't do no chart analysis, no technical, crazy advanced stuff, at least for now. We just talk news, and we revel in the glory that is knowing we are early in this game, the new game, because as we found out in my previous video yesterday, this whole Wall Street thing is code. It's telling you that the game has stopped for the elite. The game has stopped. That's what the GameStop is. Game stop. And then get off Wall Street. Get off Wall Street, and we welcome you. We welcome you to crypto. Come through into the crypto space. But that's going to wrap up the video. I got a lot to say. I might start going live on this channel, but this marks the start of the full-length videos. I'm going to grind hard on this channel. But if you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe. Turn the post notification bell on. Follow me on Instagram, and goodbye.
So she said to me, "Quick, can you give me what I want? I don't know about you, but I feel so good. Girl, I can make you feel real high. We will make me married. We go sweet, but I will never wanna. Oh, my, we make me feel